gather your supplies. You will need a plate for your paint, a rolling pin, googly eyes, tape and scissors, red ribbon, a plain paper plate, glue stick, bubble wrap, and 2 shades of paint. For your first step, you're going to want to cut a piece of bubble wrap that will fit around the rolling pin. Wrap it and tape. And you can cut off any excess bubble wrap and tape the end down as well. You're going to take a flat plate and add your 2 shades of color on there. I've chosen 2 shades of green. And we're going to roll our bubble wrap rolling pin in that paint until we get some paint on all the sides. Painting with bubble wrap produces a nice scale pattern. All snakes have scales. We're going to take our plain plate and use the bubble wrap to add scales. Don't add too much paint or your scales will get muddy. While we're waiting for our paint to dry, let's talk about snakes. Snakes are reptiles that are found on every continent in the world except Antarctica. Some snakes are venomous, which makes them dangerous, but most snakes are very helpful by eating rodents. Snakes can be tiny or really big, and they come in a lot of different pretty colors. What color did you paint your snake? You can learn a lot about snakes by checking out one of these books from the library. Or you can read fiction books about snakes, just for fun. You can find all of these books and more in our library catalog. Now let's get back to our project. When the paint is all dry on your plate, you can start to cut. Use your scissors, cut to the paint, and then start cutting a long spiral pattern. You're just going to keep cutting around and around and around. When you reach the end, leave a little shape for the snake's head. You might have to trim some off at this point. And then you'll have to separate your snake's body from the edge of the plate. And give it a pointy tail shape, like this. Next, you're going to use your glue stick to attach googly eyes to your snake. Next, you can use the glue stick to add a little snake tongue. Mine's cut in a fork. Our snake's all done.